right, I'm going to unbox this Hobby Hop box. I actually had a little bit of a spoiler of what's in it, which is even more fun because when you're excited about unboxing something, even though you already know a little bit of what's in it, that means it's good. So I am excited to open this box from Hobby Hop. The new, they're doing a new subscription service with small craft projects that are easy to take on the go and finish in, I believe, about 20 minutes is kind of their thing, with everything self-contained, and so that you can really take something long and not feel like you have to invest in a whole new hobby. Had a sweet little note in here, just for me, and then we've got a really nice little explanation of the different things that are in here. So we've got this month's crafts are going to be embroidery, sewing, a mini vision board, and reverse coloring, which is really fun. It has kind of the instructions and details to go on in here. Explains kind of what's going on as far as the actual box. It's going to be for, the idea is kind of for busy moms to be able to do a little something that doesn't take up a lot of space or make a big mess or take up a lot of time. So let's see what we got. This is cute. I actually don't know what's in here because it was not in the little preview that I got. So let's check it out. I love all this little packaging. Everything is really adorable. Let's see. We've got a little pin together pieces with a needle and thimbles. So I guess this is the little sewing pocket, little quilted sewing pocket that you can make. Very cute. Has a little charm that goes on there. I love that. So yeah, that would be extremely easy to just stick in your pocket, take with you, sew it together. Yeah, that's really even like pocket sized. All right, so let's see what this one is. Packaging is just really stinking cute. Looks like the embroidery one. We've got some stick and stitch embroidery designs, which I have heard of that before. It's where you can stick it on there and stitch it together, and it's just super easy. Let's see. Oh, cute. I have never actually had a pair of these before, and I've needed them, so yay, that's exciting. That is absurdly cute. I am old enough now that I need some help with the threading, so yay for that. That's really adorable. And then some different color combinations, different threads, so I don't have to have like lots of little odds and ends, and I can take 2 colors with me on the go if I want to. And I believe that these are intended to go really well with the designs. Like each combination goes with the design. I don't want to make a ton of noise getting this open, but okay, my cat decided to make a ton of noise for me, so I guess we're good. Ooh, a little coupon. Aw, cute. So yeah, stick these on, stitch it up, very cute. Love that. These are all things that I would actually definitely do, which I admit the question that I had for this was, I do a lot of hobbies already. Is there going to be anything that I don't already do, like have all the stuff to do? But this is great because I can take it with me. So this should be the rest of the package. I just love all this paper. It's such cute packaging. I don't know what is going on with my cat. Oh, so that would be the reverse coloring, where there's kind of a watercolor design. They did say that there are multiple, like, different designs in every box. Some pens to do that coloring with. And then we've got the vision board stuff with just all sorts of little pre-done ideas. Some little sticky dots. Oh, another reverse coloring image. Cute. And then the vision board to stick it on. So I think that's super fun. You can kind of take your own little pictures or use some of the ones that are in there. But I think this is honestly fantastic, and I would take any of these to be like a little, you know, something to do in a waiting room, or just something to do when I need a little something to get my mind off of things. I think it's fantastic. I have absolutely no, yeah, no problems with this. I think that it's wonderful, and I am going to talk to them about setting up a subscription.